Welcome to the Digital Opinion. I'm ADD, and today we're going to have an update on Bitcoin on the short term, looking at the moving averages, and we're also going to have a look at a project called ARPA Chain. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned because it's all coming up next. Straight into the charts, we're looking at ARPA Chain versus Tether USDT on the one-day chart on the Binance exchange. Today it opened at around 10 cents and currently is trading just over 11 cents with a 2% gain on the day. You can see we've been in this falling wedge and it currently looks like it's bottomed out and it's looking to break out. So the first target I've got for ARPA Chain is around 15 cents, which is the previous swing high. And then we're looking at breaking all the way up back to test that 25 cents where it was the all-time high of the year, and that came in November. That didn't come in the early parts of the year, which was around March, which most altcoins topped out around that time frame. So the next move for ARPA Chain is somewhere retracing back to that 15 cent mark. ARPA Chain again is a small market cap. It's available on Binance, it's available on Coinbase, it's available on many exchanges which you can find out on CoinMarketCap. I can see ARPA Chain doing something very similar to come and test that 15 cents, building some sort of support there and eventually breaking out to retest that 21 cents and possibly overshooting it up to 25-26 cents, where then we will probably face strong resistance, being that it's the all-time highs of the project. ARPA Chain is pretty much your Blockchains version of GDPR, which is General Data Protection Regulators, but this is the Blockchains version. So this project is all about keeping confidential information safe and secure on the blockchain. So looking at this chart, which is going to appear on your screen now, which has a TD sequential indicator on it, you can see once we've broken, you can see we came up to touch just over 11 cents, just under 12 cents that is, and we've come back to touch the moving average on the 2-hour time frame. We've bounced off that moving average and now it looks like we're building support there and building momentum for another break higher. You can also see the moving average is starting to curve up. So the moving average is moving up, which is a great indication that the project is set to break out to the upside. If for whatever reason it does retrace and does break down to the downside, then I can see it reaching a price of the former swing low at around 6 to 7 cents. Now going back to Bitcoin and having a quick update on it, we can see it hasn't done much in the last 24 hours. We can see that it has found some resistance just under 52k, and since then it's retraced back to $49,000. So we lost that 50k mark earlier on today and we've since recovered that. So we're trading just above 50k, where the market opened at $49,412 and currently we're just over $50,000. Considering it's a Sunday and mostly it's retail investment investing in Bitcoin today, we can see that tomorrow or possibly sometime during the week we could see some sort of action in play, where we could see a huge breakout, a huge candle to the upside on Bitcoin, where we estimate somewhere around $54,000 to $56,000 and building some sort of momentum there to then have another leg up to break 60k. Again, looking at the TD sequential, which is going to appear on your screen just now, we can see the moving average on the 2-hour chart is starting to curve up, which was previous resistance now turned into support, and we can see we bounced off that green line, which is the trend line on the 2-hour chart, and now it is effectively bouncing up to the upside. So what do I see? I see us breaking that 52k mark and heading towards that 54 to 56k range. We can also see on the RSI, which is the relative strength index, that it's bounced off the lows and now it looks like it's forming some sort of bottoming pattern to break to the upside. The RSI is a good indicator, as we can see that previously it's been oversold in the previous weeks and now it looks like it's reversing and pushing to the upside. Today was just a quick update on Bitcoin and a quick look at ARPA Chain. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe to Digital Opinion. I'm ADD and I'm signing out.